Hello and welcome again. This is Mark and Edo, and this is my YouTube channel, a platform where I bring for you contents, or I bring for you some of the development contents, especially on Tuesday, and it's named Tuesday Class Job Market. So today I'm so glad for you having joined me, because we are going to discuss very important ingredients under this main topic we have been discussing. For those who are following me, for those who have been watching my contents, remember we are still under business administration course. Then under business administration course, I told you that we have sub courses, because you cannot just graduate under masters of business administration. There must be something that you majored on, and therefore I came up with the 10 most important, or the 10 most better courses that you can do under business administration course to become a professional in. Now, these are the courses that I raised for you, and today we are going to do the first course. The first course is called project management. If you missed the past episode, I aligned all those 10 courses, so we'll be discussing one by one as we go. Under the discussion, remember, for today we'll be going through the what is project management, its definition. Then number 2, who are meant really to be doing this project management as a course. Then number 3 we'll be talking about what it entails, what are some of the subtopics under the business administration course under the project management, because as a project management also we have some sub courses under that you should be eyeing for as a student, or as an employer, or as an employee. Then also we'll be covering what can it be, what can be done, or where is it really done, which certified college, which certified university, that as you do there you will get your genuine certificate or your genuine diploma course, or maybe master's course. Then number 5, what are some of its benefits? Of course, anything that you do, you must weigh the cons and the pros. If the pros are better than the cons, you will always go for the pros. Now, what are the advantages of doing project management as a course over other business courses? Then, does this project management course pay as a job? In short, can we have enough opportunity if you've done this course for the student or for the employers or employees? We'll be talking about that. Then we'll be having lesson summary. So please, to get keen or to follow me step by step, make sure you visit my YouTube and Edo Mark, and please subscribe to my channel. That's a very good support if you subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, whenever you like, whenever you comment, is part of promotion to my project and the research I do. Also, I feel like at least a soul is saved somewhere, rather than sales being bought from somewhere. Now, welcome. What is project management? What is project management? Simple. Project, then management. You can define a project. What is a project? We can say these are set of activities that are planned to be done. That is a project. What project are you having in your house? What project are you having in your company? What project are you having for your family? So project is just a set of activities that have been lined, or have been arranged, or have been planned to be done. That's a project. Then what is about management? Management now involves sorts of coordination, sort of organizing, implementation, evaluation, monitoring, and then decision making and initiation and all those things. Now, if we put all these jungles or words together, we have very simple definition of project management. Simple definition that we can have is that project management is the planning and organizing of company, or planning and organizing of resources to move a specific task. Just as simple as that. You are planning, you are organizing the resources. These are like assets, and maybe some, we have the assets, the liabilities, anything that is called a resource. You organize them, you plan them, and then you put them together to make sure that a specific task is met. That's the definition of project management, towards the duty, completion, and all that. So whenever you organize resources, whenever you plan resources, you bring them together towards achieving a given task, and that task is completed well, we call it project has been managed well. Very good. Now, if we talk about where can this project be done, or why is it important to do this? Now, under project management, you will learn a lot of things. But before we go to that, let's check who are really supposed to be doing this project management. This course, before I started studying or doing research about business administration course, it was a question that came from a student, a university student I think, who wanted a specific course that can be done under business administration course. That's why I came up with this research, and I decided to be presenting each and every Tuesday. Now, who are supposed to be doing this course? The world of today is being digitalized. We call it a global. It has become a small community where communication is intertwined, and within a small or within a snap of the finger, you can send messages to different distance places or to different continents just within a snap of the finger. Any activity you have had, so long as you are organizing and planning any activity, you are doing what is called a project. Any project that is done and is successfully made is part of business. Now it means that the world is moving towards business. So I answered this like this. Nowadays, what is running the world is business, meaning that doing business administration course is just a plus in your life, you know. Anything that goes around is a plus. And like a project management, meaning that each and every company must be having a project manager, because itself is a project. Whenever you are doing farming, that is a project. Whenever you are doing maybe talking or maybe presentation, that is a project. The IT, the mechanics, the whatever, that is a project. Meaning that all companies, all organizations, all these are sorts of projects. Now, what does that one tell you? Each and every company must be needing a project manager. So in short, that one, I'm telling you in short that there are a lot of opportunity if you do this course. And this is why out of 10 top best courses in business administration, project management is course number 1. So I will encourage you, you student who is getting confused, or maybe a staff or employee who is a graduate maybe from a different course and planning to further his or her education, project management is a course to go for. The managers, the employees, the employers, the students, even the parents themselves, please, if you have to advance, the better you advance in a project management. Why? Because there are a lot of tips, there are a lot of knowledge, there are a lot of skills you will get from learning this course. Now, who is supposed to be doing this course? This course, like I told you, aspiring project managers. If you want to be a project manager when maybe you grow or you develop in your job place, you can do this course. Then also existing project managers, those who are already project managers, yet maybe they went through that position, maybe through the back door or maybe through experience and all that. It's better you equip yourself with such a certificate or a diploma or a degree as a standby. So it's better to do that course because it equips you better and it furthers your skills in management skills. Then also team leaders, the supervisors, you need to be a project manager, because remember, it is organizing and bringing together, utilizing the resources, even labor, the manpower itself. You are a supervisor supervising staff. That kind of staff is a resource. So how you manage them needs project management skills. Then we have the technical professionals, all professionals who are doing technical courses, the engineers, the doctors themselves, the principals, the trainer nurses, the developers. All these people, is better you equip yourself with what? With a project management course in your mind. Then the students who are aspiring to be managers in future, students who are aspiring to do work with the non-governmental organizations, students who are eyeing or who are getting confused about which course are they supposed to do, yet they are not good in IT, in scientific courses, for example, like medical courses. This business administration course, project manager, is a course to go for. So please don't forget that. Now, business owners can also do project management course. Now, what will you learn under project management course? Number 1, module 1, for example, you will be learning project management essential, step by step, how you are supposed to undertake. In case there is a project, what are the first principles, what are you supposed to bring first, meaning that the management skills, the communication skills, the collection or mobilization of resources, the community entry, how to start a business, how to monitor a business, how to evaluate a business, and how to come up with better result. You will be learning about project management essential. Number 2 things that is advantage of doing project management: introduction to project management concepts, those definition of words, definition of of initials. You will be learning that record management, IT management, and all those you will be learning. Number 3, understand the stages of a project management life cycle. Remember, before you initiate a project, we have different stages that a project has to undergo. These different stages you will only be taught, you will only be equipped if you go to a class where a project management course is being done. For example, mobilizing of resources. Before you even mobilize the resources, we have the first step, which is initiation. What type of project do you want? Where is the locality of project? What are the external factors and internal factors that might be hindering the project or the promotion of this project? When you want to do something in a community, what are the stages of community entry? Then how will you know that the project should continue or the project should be cancelled? How will you know whether you are making a profit or you are making a loss in your project? All those project essentials will be taught. Then also you will be taught how to understand the key activities and deliverables from start to the finish. You will know which resource that if I mobilize like this and I put here will work. If I put project essential A or maybe a resource A in space C, it will work and develop well. You will know what if you done will work, what if not done will not work. So it will teach you like that. Then we'll talk about the agile methods and processes. You will know the delicate methods that if you apply cannot work. Then understand the agile principles and mindset. You will also be doing researches and do your own project management as a course, and that one will help you to know the stages, how to write reports, how to write records, how to keep records, how to do researches, how to come out with consultation courses and all that. Then also effective communication and report writing. Communication skill is taught under project management, meaning that the public speakers, the specific speakers, the tutors and all that, it's good to go to class and know how to communicate with your staffs, how to communicate with your community, how to communicate with your country or state where you are going to launch such a project, how to write proposals, how to present your ideas, how to do tutorials, how to do team building skills, and all those things you will be learning under the project management course. Then track the project progress against its failures or against the plan. The resources you have against what is not expected. How is the projectiling? Is it going ahead to be success or is it going to fail? Those things you will be learning through that area also. You will be able to know. Communicating to customers' need, you will be learning from there, and also risk mitigation and problem solving. You'll be able to know all those things. Team facilitation, you will learn there. Leading a team or supervising the team, meaning that management skills are done there, supervisory skills are learned there. Then also you'll be learning about scaling complex projects, how you can put complex projects together. Then something that we learn also, coordinating and aligning multiple projects that are very delicate in relation to the areas where they are being offered and how you can solve solution in case it happens. Now, benefits of project management. Number 1, you become a clear, organized planner, improve team collaborators, because this thing you shall have learned there. Number 2 advantage on that is that defining everyone's role and eliminates confusion out of many courses that you can learn. If you learn project management course, you'll be able to criticize and to analyze what can work, what can't work. In short, you'll be a very good critic who can be able to weigh between two opponents or between two projects, and you are able to come back with a better resolution or a better solution or a better decision on what is supposed to be done. In short, it equips your mind when it comes to decision making skills. Well-defined goals improve team effectiveness. Whenever you learn this, you improve your education, you improve your learning. What happened? By the end of the day, you become a better manager. Then defining communication plans keep your team aligned. Project management tools help increase effectiveness or efficiency in whatever you are doing. In short, we are trying to say that, I'm trying to say, whenever you do project management skills, you will be able to know tools and materials that should be put in a project so that it can work better. So when you bring this computerization, you bring these maybe cameras, you bring these digitalization of machines and application of machines, by the end of the day, it helps you improve your effectiveness in work, improve your result, and will become quality assurance in your project management. Now, is it a paying job? Yes, this is a very good paying project management course. If you do it, it's very paying. Countries, especially European countries, you get that this project management or project managers are paid as much as 200 and above US dollars annually, meaning that per month, good project manager in Europeans or maybe US, they are paid up to around maybe $10,000 per month or $12,000 per month, ranging down, because annually you get that European pays better, around 200. Then when you go to US states, US pays around 120, 130 there. Then some countries like Asia, they pay around 100. So the Europe highly pay project managers, followed by the US, then we go to the Asian, and then African. But all in all, a minimal project manager should be earning annually is around 115,000 per month. So per year. So it means that per month, at least a project manager, apart from other allowances, will be going home with around 10 to 20,000 US dollars annually. I hope you enjoyed the topic. Let's meet again next Tuesday, and the Tuesday class job market will be talking about episode 72. Thank you for being my fan. Please follow me, subscribe my YouTube, and make sure you support me. I'm called Andedo, and I will see you on Twitter today. See you next time. Bye.